For example 2, we cannot write both sides of the exponential equation with the same base. So what you can do is log both sides of your equation. So I'm going to start with example 2a and log both sides of my equation and show you how that's done. We're going to write the word log right in front of 3 to the x, and then I'm going to also log the other side and write the word log in front of the 20. And by logging both sides of my equation, that allows me to take the x and pull it out front. So I get x times log of 3 equal to log of 20. And then to solve for x, I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by log of 3. So on the left side, I'm going to divide by log of 3, which will cancel out my log of 3. On the right side, I'm going to divide by log of 3. And then I get x is equal to whatever this calculates out to be in your calculator. Just make sure you close your parenthesis off in your numerator before you divide by your denominator. And I don't need to close off the 3. You can if you want to, but you don't really have to in this problem. And you get 2.72. I'll round it to 2.73. Okay, for b, we're going to go ahead and log both sides. So I'm going to log 2 to the x, and I'm going to log the 33. I can't take 33 and write it as a power of 2. So I'm kind of stuck there unless I log both sides. And once I log both sides, I get to bring my x out front. And then I need to solve by x, or solve for x, by dividing by log of 2. What you do to one side, you do to the other, and then it's ready to go in your calculator. So we're going to take log of 33, close it off, hit divide, then log of 2, close it off, hit equals, and you get 5.04. And the last problem I'm going to do differently just to show you that you don't always have to pick log base 10. The reason that I like to choose log base 10 is because I have that button on my calculator, and once I solve for x, it's very easy to put the expression into the calculator, but you can go ahead and choose any other base that you want. So I'll show you another technique. If I wanted to, I could pick a base of my log that matched the base of the power. So I could choose log base 84, and then of 84 to the x, and then on the other side I would have to also log base 84 the 70. On the left side, the x will come out front, and then log base 84 of 84 would be 1, and x times 1 would be x. And then you would be left with this expression on the right side. And then you would have to use the change of base formula to continue to solve this expression. So if you do choose to solve the log or the exponential equation this way, where you're picking a base other than 10 or e, then you are still eventually in the end going to have to use the change of base formula and your calculator anyway. So I'm going to use the change of base formula. It would be log of 70 over log of 84, or you could do the natural log of 70 over the natural log of 84, and then that would have to go in your calculator anyway. So when all is said and done, you still need your calculator to do the problem. So when I'm solving these, I always pick just base 10 straight away from the get-go. So I have log of 70 divided by log of 84, and I get 0.96.